Are you looking for the best vertical climbers? In this video we will look at some of the best vertical climbers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Maxi Vertical Climber. The Maxi Climber is our best choice for the best vertical climbers for several mouth-watering reasons. This climber machine rewards owners with a total body routine that combines aerobic exercise, muscle toning, and weight resistance. It also offers an intense workout for your entire body. If you want a climber for high-intensity training, this is a safe, durable bet. It is easy to set up, as it is pre-assembled and doesn't need external parts. The climber can also fit perfectly in your closet. Best believe, it does not add stress on the lower joints of your body. This climber machine is made of heavy-duty steel, so it's great for users who weigh 240 pounds and below. If you're looking to burn calories and strengthen your muscles with durable home gym equipment, the Maxi Climber is just right for you. At number 2, Relife Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. The Relife Vertical Climber is another safe, effective, and durable option. It is fantastic for aerobic breathing exercises, torching body fat and calories, and getting an all-round body exercise. With a maximum weight capacity of 260 pounds. This climber is undoubtedly sturdy. In addition to that, the climber tones and shapes the muscles by building endurance and strength in your body's core. You can get this equipment if you need a weight climber that has an LCD monitor. The monitor helps record your workout time, and it can keep tabs on your fitness progress. Apart from the benefit of a sleek outlook, the square steel tube design offers stability during workout. The climber also saves much space, so storage isn't a headache. Relife's climber boasts an adjustable, 5-level structure that suits all body types. It's easily fixable, and you have the guarantee of a sturdy home exercise equipment. Our guide to the best ab machines features more awesome products for fitness enthusiasts. At number 3, Maxi Climber XL 2000 Vertical Climber. This next generation Maxi Climber utilizes the very latest in modern technology to help you obtain your dream physique without needing to leave the house. The frame is made from heavy-duty aluminium to create a durable yet lightweight machine that's designed to last but isn't too heavy to move around your home, and even features integrated rollers to make setting up and storing easier than ever. The anti-sliding leveling mechanism makes it easy to work out even on uneven surfaces. The long-lasting roller mechanism and 12 adjustable resistance levels ensure you can experience the perfect intensity in your workout while also enjoying an incredibly smooth and quiet machine. The vertical climber incorporates a convenient mobile device holder to listen to your tunes or watch your favorite shows easily while you work out. You can also download the free fitness app directly onto your smartphone to help you track your progress. The fitness app even includes your own personal on-demand fitness coach, a 21-day complete meal plan, and a 21-day Maxi Challenge interval program to keep your motivation high and help you build a lean, muscular physique in no time. This vertical climber can support a maximum weight of 300 pounds and is suitable for users up to 6.6 feet tall with adjustable heights to allow the whole family to feel the burn without straining themselves. At number 4, Relife Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. Step metal plate thickening, foot support rod is thickened, spare parts of grease and foam packaging prevents parts from breaking in transit. 1-year warranty on mainframe, life warranty on all other vulnerable parts. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us through email. Different level have different effects. You can think of it as resistance. First 2 RD levels is jogging, 3rd 4th is running, the 5th level is rock climbing. You can adjust it based on your own situation. Easy to put together and sturdy. Pedal have a little bit inclination. Make the person's center of gravity close to the main. It is more stable when do exercise. Will not turn to the outside. Exercise outside arm, waist muscles. Aerobic exercise to improve heart and lung function. Characterize thighs, abdominal muscle lines. Reduce fat, increase endurance. Thicken the rope, Good wear resistance and low friction coefficient. More durable. Different level have different effects. You can think of it as resistance. The higher the altitude, the greater the resistance. At number 5. MaxiClimber, the original patented vertical climber. MaxiClimber is an easy to set up vertical climber that provides a full body workout combining weight resistance, muscle toning and aerobic exercise, all in the comfort of your home. MaxiClimber engages all major muscle groups to burn calories and build muscle. By using your own body weight as resistance, MaxiClimber gives a great cardio and strength training workout that's low impact. With the MaxiClimber Companion Fitness app you get high-intensity interval training, HIIT, routines that burn maximum calories in minimum time. Track your progress during the 21-day Maxi Challenge program combined with a meal plan and 80+ recipes. Complete the 21-day Maxi Challenge to unlock 4 customized routines. Supports up to 240 pounds. Compact, ideal for small apartments, basements, patios and garages. Some assembly required. Versatile and easy to use climber that works for all fitness levels. With bonus companion fitness app, full body workout, combines calorie burning cardio with muscle toning in one simple step. Easy to set up, lightweight and height adjustable. Comes 90% pre-assembled, ready to use in minutes, and compact folding for an easy storage.